Namaste and hello. Welcome to TrendyTechnoTalks. In this video, we will be discussing about business process management. Business process management can be said as an approach to manage processes and workflows in an organization with an aim of increased efficiency. BPM is the use of technologies by an organization like workflow management, case management, decision making, reporting and security frameworks to improve its business. The main goal of business process management includes the improvement in customer experience and operational efficiency. So, if we look at the business process management, what are the example activities that will look like? So, there are multiple activities which are going on in an organization. So, all the activities somehow come under this the examples of BPM, like hiring and onboarding of an employee, providing customer services, and lot more. So let's look an example to understand it in a better way. So there is a very basic example, travel reimbursement management. We all have heard about it. So how a travel reimbursement management happens in an organization? So let's make a flowchart out of it. When we start it, suppose we have received a travel reimbursement. So it may be in a digital or a non-digital format. Let's say it's in a digital format. What will be the next step? You will extract the information whichever is required. But if it's in non-digital form, then also the next step will be to extract the information only. Then we'll check if the extracted information, that is the amount, is greater than the amount which is in the process of organization which is reimbursed. So if suppose let's take it as 100, that if it's greater than 100, the reimbursement should be done. So once they have seen that the extracted information shows that the amount is greater than 100, the manager should be notified for approval. Now the manager has the thing whether this travel happens or not happen, and whether it comes within the scope of the project or not. So based on his guidelines, he will either accept it or reject it. And similarly, it will continue. This process will continue to other process, like it will go to the finance department or HR department after that, or if it is rejected, if it is to be applied again. It depends on the organization processes and guidelines. So this is how a travel reimbursement management happens. Now, if you see, this is done manually. When we talk about this automation, it tells us about the solutions which are complex and are connected to multiple information technology systems and are tailored and are being implemented specifically to meet the needs of the organization. So if we look at our example, how we can automate it, let's divide into 3 sections. One, where we are receiving the form and getting the information. Then when we are getting the information from non-digital documents also, and lastly where the approvals and reviews are done. So dividing into 3 segments, we can see the first step can be automated using the RPA technology, right? But yes, if it is in digital format, but if it's non-digital, we'll have to get into IDP, intelligent document processing also. With the help of IDP, we can even extract information from the non-digital documents. And lastly, when the approvals are needed, we can pitch in workflow management. We can pitch in the tools which are helping us with the workflows, automation of workflows. So this is how automation is happening within the business process management for the effective and easy work. So we can say a BPM software is used to automate process, construct flows, trigger actions, and create new workflows. And this can be done by just the drag and drop interfaces provided by different tools. If we look at some of the BPM tools, it can be Newgen, APN, Zoho, Oracle BPM, Pega, Process Maker, so many others in the market. Thank you.